Everybody, I'm Cinnamon Cooney, your art Sherpa, and today I want to show you how you can paint with things you might not expect. The secret fun trick material today is bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. You love bubble wrap, and I'm going to show you something to do with it besides pop it. So get your packing material, get your art materials, come back and meet me at the easel right now. I'm going to show you how you can paint forests and trees with packing material. Water jar, bright red, dark red, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, black, white, 6 yummy sheets of bubble wrap, plus 1 extra to pop. Brush for acrylic paint, and an artist knife. Let's jump on in. Come on. All right, so we have our surface here. I'm going to take my acrylic brush. I'm going to dip it a little bit in water, drag off the extra, load it up in my white paint, and come to the middle of my surface, making big back and forth brush strokes, just like that. There we go. Now I'm going to come back over to my black and just go on the tip of the brush, coming in like this, kind of curving that stroke, light in the center. Now I'm going to load up a lot more of my dark color and come in from the edges in. Dark across the bottom, dark across the bottom, back dark over here. Let's get some more black paint. Here we go. Back and forth. Easy peasy, loosey goosey, which just basically means relax about it. Don't be too worried. Smooth it out. One dark streak across the center. Here at the bottom, where the trees are going to go. All right, now we have to dry that. Once it's dry, we can start the really fun process of painting. Don't forget to have fun here because this is a lot of fun. Grab one of your pieces of precious, delightful bubble wrap, crumple up into a ball, dip into your dark red, just like that. Come here into the left upper corner, tap out a little round red tree. Get a little bit of your light red on there. And on the left-hand side, add your light red paint. Now, bring this over and get your next piece of bubble wrap for your yellow. Excited? All right. So first, get a little bit of the yellow. Come right here. Make a little yellow tree. Get a little white. And add on that side a little bit of the white dot. Good job. Now, orange. Make sure you've got those bubbles out. A little bit of your orange, not too much, just a little bit. Like to tap down, get the pattern, and I want this to be real close to his little friends, a little bit overlapping. And then I can go into my yellow to get some light orange. There we go. A little bit of light color right there. Grab your next sheet of the bubble wrap. You don't even worry about all the packages you might be getting because now you have a use for all that bubble wrap. We're going to do the green. Little ball, a little bit of green, tapping up and down to make sure you don't have too much paint on there. Come right here. Make a little green round tree. And for fun, you can grab some yellow into that. Make a light side of your green tree. And you can get for your blue right here, right here, right here. You're going to make a little blue right there. Then I'm going to get some white, my blue. Tap that a little bit so it's a little mixed in. A little bit of blue leaves on that side. The cute little tree. Now I'm going to get my purple. My purple's very dark, so sometimes to the eye it looks a little black, but it's not. I like to get a little white into it even as I start out. Just so you can see the purple. I'm going to put this right here. Nice big cute purple tree. A little more white. And then I'm going to add those light leaves again on that left-hand side. Now, putting the ground in is easy and super fun. Don't worry about splatters. Don't worry about paint. This is supposed to be playful. This is supposed to be expressive. You're going to take your artist knife. You could also use like a stiff business card, just anything that will let you scrape up the paint and bead it. And we're going to pull a little bit of a bead here. And we are going to make trunks. And all I do is just tap this going up. Tapping that, making a little bead. I like to bring a little branch off. You can sometimes drag this down. Grab another one. There's another little short trunk here. There you go. Pull that down. Have another little branch. You can see that I pull it off and make another little bead. I'm going to come right here. Pull down another little trunk. And then I'm going to add little branch, little trunk down, even a little further. Whatever you got to do. The yellow tree can come down here. Tap, tap. You just make easy little trunks. Now, underneath your little trees, I like to just pull a little bit of this dark. I like to scrape it down. Scrape it. A little bit of scraping along here, just making the ground. I'm going to wipe this off. And I'll get a little bit of my white. And I like to add part of the trunk, a little highlight. Just a little bit of a highlight. There we go. Fun. A little bit of a highlight. It'd be a good idea to show that the light's coming through here. So pull the bead there. And then just wiggle back and forth for your little river of light. You're doing good. Now you get to grab all the colors that you've had all throughout your trees and just put them a couple places. It's kind of fun to grab some blue, and I might even pick up some that has a little bit of the white and purple in it. Just come underneath here and pull down. Fun. A little more purple right there. And wipe off, rinse and wipe off before I switch over to the warm side, or my colors will get super muddy, which I don't want. Unless you do want, and then it's okay. Oh, my orange, it's a pretty bright orange. Pick your favorite colors when you do this. I'm pressing very light. Come over and a white reflection over here. Have a little bit of your red. places. Wipe off and get a whole bunch of my yellow. If you go up on the little edge of the knife, you can make a little happy surprise of color. When you're all done, sign it. That was a ton of fun, and I so appreciate your time today. I hope you enjoyed your result. You can always paint with fun and unexpected things. Look around your house and see what else you might be able to paint with. Be good to yourselves, be good to each other, and I want to see you at the easel really soon. Bye-bye.